live at the scene of the double bridge removal, whereas the last bridge, which fell on Concorde, commonly known to as Viaduct Concorde, had fallen. It was the same makers, therefore they chose to actually break the bridge down. Although it's the same people that built the bridge, they feel in fact that it was much safer due to the low traffic in this area. Concorde was more solicited because it was the way on the on-ramp of the 19th Bridge Papineau. We'll take you live to the scene now. The lights are on late at night. Why they're doing this at night, I have no idea. Perhaps for media not to be involved. You can see here there is a large crane actually jackhammering its way. I can feel intense vibrations on the floor. A feeling almost of a lightning or thunder. Many workers are at the site, perhaps reminding themselves of the horrifying acts that happened just a few weeks earlier. No barrier left on the side of this bridge. They're just looking down and horribly reminding themselves of what if it was perhaps me? That's the census I got from a lot of people. They've been using this bridge for years and years and years. And you know what? They never would have imagined something like this. We have a local citizen for you.
Hello there.
Good day, sir. What is your thoughts on what happened exactly at the real site?
Well, I was at my house that morning and turned on the television and I see Viaduct Concorde fell, and I really wasn't sure exactly what happened. I rushed to the scene and all I could see was that, you know, there was cars down there, people were watching, people on the wall. It was just crazy. But you know, we've been living around here for what now, 15 years, and maybe even 18, and you could really tell that nothing like this has happened around the area, and it was really something special. And well, it's just something special.
Now, how close do you physically live to the bridge, Mr. D?
Well, I'd say roughly a kilometer, like with the roads, but directly maybe 0.2 kilometers. And I just live down this street. You turn left here, turn to right, turn to left. It's quite close by. So it was quite a big deal for us, you know.
And how has this impacted your daily occurrence, or your daily life, shall we say? Do you commute to work? Do you take your automobile? What is the direct impact of these bridges, unfortunately being closed to pedestrian / automotive use?
Well, the thing is that with the 19 being closed off, there's a lot of traffic centered around mainly, well, Saint Martin is what I take during the morning. I take the train on the corner of Industrial and Saint Martin, and it really packs in the traffic in the morning, and I have to leave at least before 6:30 or else I'll never make it for my train.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
They are actually wetting down the surface of the bridge. Though light rain is amongst us, apparently, according to Jean-Guy Boniface, a local worker, because the dust is actually smoking into the air. About 15 minutes ago they were working on this side of the bridge, now they're working on the other side. As you see, the gap in the middle, horrifyingly reminding us of the Concorde Viaduct that fell down. Though this one was man-made, it's a brutal reminder of what nature can do and the beast that is bridges. We got some city workers working hard here. And apparently it won't stop. All night they'll be working on it. First thought that comes to mind is, look how hard it is to pull down. Whereas the other bridge just fell in a matter of seconds. Something must have been horribly wrong. No guardrail here. A big truck of almost a train-like appearance seems to be slowly making its way down Boulevard Leblanc, which is across street with Boulevard de Blois. Perhaps bringing cinder blocks to block off the road. A heavy object seems to be in that container of sorts. Obviously not cheese dumplings. Appears to be cloth of sorts. Perhaps the workers are cold, chilly, perhaps feeling the wind of the cold October night. They also have long, stringy things that look like sausages. Workers bravely working right next to the site, perhaps asking themselves, what, where, who, how, when. This reporter says, it doesn't matter. The damage is done. Let's move on. Let's bring down those faulty bridges. Let us look at the Quebec road infrastructure and really ask ourselves, why?